How to pay credit card bills in the Bank of America. First things first is if you haven't downloaded the Bank of America application, you should have downloaded it through a Play Store if you're using an Android device, and download it via the Apple Store if you're using an iOS. So once you have successfully downloaded it, make sure that you logged in using your user ID and password. Now, once you have successfully logged in, before setting up your credit card bills payment, you can definitely have a step-by-step guide on how you can manage your bills and payments from the Bank of America application. So just visit the Bank of America's official website and you should be able to see this list or guide right here so that you will not encounter any problems in the near future. So the next thing you do is just go to the center portion of your screen, which is going to be the bills payment, and enroll your credit card from the bills payment. Just follow all those necessary process, input your routing number, account number, and those necessary details, and you should be able to successfully enroll your Bank of America credit card bills payment using the app.